Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for February 19th, 2018. For your Monday, we're going to have a warm front moving through the region today, and there's going to have a few showers with it, mainly just the afternoon hours. Should start a little bit earlier than noon in our central locations, but you could actually see the day starting off partly cloudy initially, and then clouds will quickly increase. And that's because we have high pressure off to the east here that's keeping us a little bit dry. But we have the warm front that's going to try to move through in association with this area of low pressure here. Warm front is situated out here like this and is going to move through the region and bring those showers with it. Now, again, it's just not going to be a real big deal. Will be a little bit more concentrated for the northern part of our coverage area today versus the rest of it, but it's just more spotty elsewhere. And then again, this should just be through the afternoon and in some cases early evening along the far northern areas, but I do think this moves out of here overnight with just some leftover drizzle and patchy fog possible overnight. I think it does remain mostly cloudy overnight, however. So we're going to move this ahead and show you this front moving off to the north. Again, the highest concentration is going to be across the northern tier with those showers, and then that lifts off to the north, and by the time we get to Tuesday morning, which is right here, the front is safely off to the north, and at the same time you have see this little high pressure kind of nosing into the west here. This is a very strong area of high pressure, 1,035 millibars, and this is going to get this heat coming in here from the southwest, and that's going to set up Tuesday and Wednesday to be very mild days and record high challenging days. For both days, looks like at many locations. Before we get into that, let's go over the NAM high-res future simulator radar. Start this off at 9 a.m. Again, just a few showers out in central PA at this point, but areas out here to the east, on this side, could actually start off with a little bit of sun briefly. Early this morning until these showers work in and the clouds are going to quickly increase. But I wouldn't be surprised to see the sun peak in a few places, especially across New Jersey, far eastern areas. And then we move forward, you can see those showers moving eastward. Again, it's going to be mostly concentrated across the northern tier. This is noon, but this is just more like hit or miss stuff down here. And then we get to the early afternoon. Here's those showers continuing again, mainly just the northern half of the coverage area. There's where it continues. Here's 4 p.m. Here's 5, 6, 7. You see the trend here. It's pretty much done by evening or early evening and moves out of here. You still have some spotty drizzle though hanging around in the areas of low fog and clouds. So we have to watch for that during the overnight hours. But as far as precipitation, we should be done with it. At least the concentration that should be done by this evening. Let's go back to the models again. Tuesday, Wednesday, surge of warmth coming in around this high pressure. That's going to come in here for both Tuesday and Wednesday. I think the warmer of the 2 days are going to be Wednesday. Tuesday is going to start off with maybe some fog in the morning and giving way to sun, and then partly cloudy skies, it looks like, here on Wednesday. So here is a look at Tuesday. Once that clears, the sun comes out, we get up into the upper 60s to near 70 degrees across the region on Tuesday, and then into the 70s, it looks like, in some locations, especially central and southern areas on Wednesday. Now, we will have a cold front moving in from the west. It's going to come through overnight Wednesday night. Not any thunderstorm activity with this or anything like that, but this front is going to go south of us initially, and then you're going to have a warm front that's going to try to push back through the region to the north, but it's going to be draped directly over the region. We're going to get like this little fire hose effect here, where you have this training of showers coming right along this warm front, and that's going to continue out in through both Thursday and Friday. Here's a look at Thursday. Here's the first line of showers that come with it. Okay, and that runs through the region, and then the warm front still south of the region. As it moves, sits right over top of the region, you get another fire hose effect going here, where you get more rain coming in right along this frontal boundary, just like this. And this is Friday. All right, so you have a kind of a wash, rinse, repeat type deal. But the front's going to be a little bit further south here on Friday than it was on Thursday. Now, once we get to past Friday, that front is going to move off to the north, and we're going to get milder air move in here for Saturday and Sunday. I think it's a little bit milder over the weekend. Nothing crazy. Nothing like it's going to be the next couple of days. We're talking 70s, but we're probably well into the 50s instead of 40s by the time we get to Saturday. So here's a look at Saturday. Should be a mostly dry with a chance for a shower day, it looks like right now, for Saturday. And then we have more rain coming in here for Sunday. But this is along a cold front. The warm front's off to the north at this point. This actually is along a cold front on Sunday, where we're going to get these showers. Not that really makes much of a difference. It's going to rain. Most people really don't care, but that's what exactly is going on. This is along and ahead of a cold front on Sunday, and that cold front finally pushes through, it looks like, on Monday. So this is going to be about a 5-day stretch here of precipitations that we're going to be running into from Thursday through about Monday. So it's going to be a wet period that we're going to be heading into, and the ground is very saturated, very wet right now, so we're not going to be doing anything to benefit the ground and drying out and all that stuff. We're not looking at that in the next week or so anyway. So we'll be wet and unsettled this week coming up, but we're not dealing with any wintry precipitation. Too warm for that. We had our thread of the needle snow over the weekend, and now we're back to the above average temperatures that are going to continue through about the end of this month. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for February 19th, 2018. Have a great Monday.